So right now, let me take an example of IRIS dataset to implement the new bias. But right now we will use scikit-learn. Okay, so here we have. So firstly, let me just load the dataset of. Let me just load the IRIS dataset. So for that, let me import the dataset from the scikit-learn into sklearn. So from sklearn import datasets and datasets dot load underscore iris. So this load underscore iris will have actually total 5 columns. 4 are the feature columns and 1 is actually for output label. Okay, so now we know actually अगर मुझे iris से कुछ data चाहिए, then we have a actually it's a dictionary type of thing. So iris dot data, or you can say that iris and square bracket of data. That means data is nothing but a key. So if you want to print that, look last examples में देख चुके थे. So अगर आप देखें तो iris dot data, in a similar way we have another thing that is iris dot target. But if you want to just to print out all the keys of this, then guys you can just write down dir of iris. Okay, so पहले dir कर लेते हैं. So what this dir will return? It returns actually this dir will return all the keys of that. So the program name is new bias. तो सबसे पहले हमने डेटा सेट लोड किया. आफ्टर दैट like we just like print dir of iris. So just check. So dir of iris will return DACR, that's a description, data, feature names, file name, target, and target names. So these are nothing but in keys of that particular like iris dataset. These are the keys in iris dataset. और हर एक की के साथ as per the like requirement वहाँ पे data connected है. Like सबसे पहली चीज मैंने iris dot data print किया. So it's nothing but an ND array. So ND array in the sense you can simply say that it may be a list of list or list of list of list, something like that. But here it is actually a list of list. That means two-dimensional ND array. And two-dimensional in the sense 150 rows. As we know, 150 records are there in iris and 4 features are there. Sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. So just check. मेरे पास चार columns available है. In short, in this ND array, I have 4 elements. These are the feature for the first record. This is the feature for the second record, third records, and so on. So total we have actually 150 records. And in the similar way, this is the target. So target may be actually, maybe it's actually like we have 3 different values in target, as you know. Okay, so target value agar print kare, then we have 3 different values in target. So maybe it's a 0, maybe it's a 1, maybe it's a 2. But what about 0, 1 and 2? So for that you can just print target underscore names. ये भी हम लोग देख चुके थे. So it's not saved actually. So like if you want to just okay, what is the problem? Double S ho gaya, sorry. Fine, let me run. So here we have Setosa, versicolor, and virginica. These are nothing but target names, but these are the actually target values. So 0 stands for Setosa, 1 means that is versicolor, and 2 means it's a virginica. So actually ये हमारे target values है. So now अगर मुझे model develop करना है, then मुझे सामने क्या चीज देनी पड़ेगी? I have to just provide the data and I have to provide target, not the target names. because target name में मेरे पास सिर्फ 3 label है, but I have 150 records, then 150 like target values I have to provide. Okay, fine. I hope यहाँ तक clear है. So we have two options. Either we can just go with iris and square bracket in the in the square bracket you can just write down the otherwise like key name. So key like target data and target underscore names are the key names. So that is the first option. Otherwise guys we can just do one thing. हम लोग dot operator से भी data को access कर सकते. We know the dictionary of Python. So now just load the data set. Now after that इसमें से मुझे सिर्फ दो चीज की जरूरत है. The first thing is data, another one is target. So here we have a data and this is the target. Now before that, now just observe one thing. Do you have any actually numerical data in your data set or a categorized data? So we know in iris data set all the feature columns having a numerical data. All the feature column having actually numerical data. So what we can do? We have to just apply Gaussian new bias. We have to apply. So let me just import this Gaussian NB. What is that Gaussian NB? It's a predefined class in actually NeoBias module. NeoBias module is available in scikit-learn. So just import NeoBias and from that like NeoBias just import Gaussian NB and create an object of that. So that's a Gaussian NP. So that's it, your model is created. Okay, but to just like model object is created, but to this model object we have to provide the data. For that we have a fit function. So gnb.fit, and here I have a data, and this is nothing but a target values. That's that. So what it returns, actually this one will return actually like a model as per our data. Now finally we have to just call the predict function, pass the testing data, and we will just get the answer. But for the simplicity, what I did, I like this function actually returns the model object. So I just call, using that model object, I just call the predict function, and I pass all the data which I just used to train my model. Okay, then I सबका सब data pass किया, it will just provide the prediction value. And in this prediction, once again 150 like prediction values are there. Now we have to compare this prediction value with this IRIS target. Okay, and we can just calculate the accuracy, or we can just count how many are similar or how many are different. Okay, so number of mislabeled points out of total percentage D points. For that, let me just write out iris.data shape of 0. So it just return the value of total number of points. The total number we know 150. And उसमें से हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा, iris.target is not equals to y underscore prediction. These all are the numpy type of thing. Okay, ये दोनों के दोनों ND array है. So iris.target मतलब it is actually original data. Okay, original data मतलब जब हमारे पास data set था, so that is actual data and this is the prediction. So जहाँ match नहीं हुआ. Okay, so now let me run this. So it is only a 2 line of code. So let me run this. So हम लोग को आंसर मिल जाएगा. Okay, from 150 points actually 6 points are mislabeled. Okay, 6 points are mislabeled. So मैंने total मेरे पास जितना डेटा था जो हमने ट्रेनिंग के लिए यूज किया उसको टेस्टिंग के लिए यूज किया. फॉर द सिंप्लिसिटी आप इसको स्प्लिट कर सकते हो एज पर योर रिक्वायरमेंट, like 80 and 20%, 80% for training, 20% for testing, अथवा 67%, 33%. Okay, जो हम लास्ट सेशन में किया था. That's your choice, but we have to just write down this much of line. Like actually देखिए तो हमारे पास सिर्फ 2 लाइन का कोड है. First of all, create an object of your particular algorithm. Okay, and after that just create a model by just calling a fit function. And to the fit function we have to pass 2 things. The first one is training data, and another thing is nothing but target values. And finally, using that model object we have to call a predict function. In that predict function we have to pass the testing points, and that predict function will return a prediction. And now you have to just compare the prediction with, and you can just say, oh, this is this much of accurate your model is.